Alright, so the next set to get a light kit installed is from the Grand Emporium 10211, and I got another kit from Light My Bricks. They come in these cool little boxes. Let's go grab the building and get started. So here's the Grand Emporium. We'll go ahead and get it separated from the city by taking off these little tile pieces I have here. One day I'll eventually extend it all the way out, but for now. But anyway, let's get it over onto the table and start putting those lights in it. Alright, here it is. Alright, so once again, we'll go onto the Light My Bricks website here. And we'll find our guide. Alright, and here are the instructions. Here's what we're supposed to get in our package. We could double check that. Let's get it down to the ground floor here. Take off this floor and the roof here, set it aside. Then the second floor here. Alright, we got the ground floor. Oh no, this guy fell over. I don't remember where I had him. Maybe he's behind the register here. I don't remember if he was a customer or a worker. So, first step is to remove the light. And then we're going to have to put this other one in here. But let's go ahead and start the time lapse. Makes this thing go by a lot faster. So real quick, we're gonna make some altercations. So, or modifications. Sorry. The chandelier, it asked for 3 of these lights in there. They're pretty decently bright. I feel like I could probably just get away with 1. I don't think I need 3. We'll take a look and see if it, it's not that bright. Then maybe we can add the other 2 in there. But I'm thinking I can just, it'll be lit up. It'll look good. I can save the other 2 lights for a future project. Also, it's having our lights go up through the ceiling, up through the skylight here, and then it's having us hook up this circuit board up there, this little, hub here. We're gonna have it on the roof just up there, and that's where our other, all the lights from our billboard. Well, my billboard I don't have on top of my Grand Emporium. At some point I want to have billboards all the way down the street there. So I moved it from the rooftop. Now I was thinking, should I do it the way it's meant to be so you can see it? But I feel like it's not going to take away from the building that much. So that's another 3 lights that I'm not putting on. I almost don't really need the hub. I only, only using a couple plugs. Actually, I might not even stick it. Nah, we'll stick it. So anyway. So yeah, rather than put this on the roof, I'm going to put it inside about here, I think. And then we got the 1 wire here for the 2 lights in here that are going to hook up here. And then at a later point, I can hook up another wire here. I could actually hook up a light. I was thinking like if I put my Batman light up there, that'd be really cool if it was lit up. but I kind of want to put the light, the Batman signal on top of the police station. This is more fitting. But I always have another connection. Plus, I have this whole hub here. You know, we can add more lights or go back the way it's supposed to be at any point very easily. But just wanted to let you know what changes that I was doing. So let me hook this up here. All right, we are done. So, like I said, some modifications that I made, or some pieces I left off, some extra pieces. We have like I think a connecting cable, and 1, 2, 3, like 5 lights, I think, because we had the 3 lights on the chandelier, or 2 lights on the chandelier I left off, and then the billboard has the 3 lights on the front of it. So, but I'm going to probably use those lights at a later time. Anyway, I'll have to find a way to hook up power to the billboard, but it'll look great with the lights on it later. It's just not on the building where I normally put it. Normally we have this guy just chilling in there. So that's what I left off. It does look great with the sign on there. I'll post up a picture up here on here for you. So it looks great, but for my building, it looks great too. Oh, let me look at that chandelier. Oh yeah, that chandelier's okay. Might have to adjust some of those wires. You can kind of see them in there. But let's see if we can get you a good look at the chandelier here. So yeah, this wire here, we're gonna have to tuck it up, but it's kind of, you know, not super bright, which it's not supposed to be a spotlight, you know, it's more of a, you know, it's more in the room. I don't think, from what I've seen of chandeliers, they don't really light the room, you know, so you can tell it's lit from the window, which is its purpose, I believe. So anyway, let's put this bad boy in the city and get a look at it with all the other buildings next to it. All right, there it is in the city. Let's light it up. There it is. Let's kill some of these lights, huh? There it is. The Grand Emporium. It looks great. I do kind of wish there was a way to light up the word shop, but I don't think it would be really possible. I mean, the S has the clear bricks in there, so you could have probably put something in there, but you would almost have to put those clear bricks with the lights in there in each of the H and the O, but it would only be inside the middle of it. I don't know how it would look. I'm sure they probably tried that and it probably didn't look too well, and they figured it didn't need it. It looked good without it. So my door still works. I really like the way it turned out. It looks great. Like I said, you know, it's supposed to have the sign on there, but my billboard is off to the side over here, and we will add the lights to that at a later time. All right, now I got this whole block done. And soon we're gonna have these buildings lit up. Just doing them one at a time. Oh, we got a stoplight over here. I did do that. It's on my Instagram. I just did a couple photos. I didn't think it was necessarily video worthy, but it's pretty cool. It's a working stoplight, so pretty cool. But thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time, and we'll do another building.